Alright, time to play Indian Truck Driver Simulator. We are going to go... There's no free car. Oh, it's the police truck. This is kind of... First time playing this game. Let's see how hard it is. Alright, gotta slow down, Come on, come on. Big drop. Gotta go slow. Okay, what the heck? How did I die? Let's retry that one. Gonna try to get this in under 10 tries. And then get a win. Already got some rupees. Alright. We got this. Okay, well. Okay. Let's get another police van. We got this, we got it. What's this? Maybe it has some rupees in it. Actually, this might be some money. It might be like a money crate. What's this? Oh, yep, I got 300 rupees. We spawn? We out. Spawn a car on top of me. Thank you. Okay. We're gonna get it this one. We're gonna get past that little checkpoint. It looks like there's different checkpoints as well. There's another one. Oh, what the heck? What was that? Oh, so there's collision in this game. I didn't know that. Alright. You gotta go slow against this corner. I'm gonna hold brake. Going down this. Oh, there's like a little crack in this road, so we gotta go a little faster with that. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's rocks. There's like an avalanche going on. We gotta watch out for that. Please don't tell me I'm stuck. Okay, good. No. Alright. Not making this one. We got it this time. Use shift lock. Alright, we got this. Cybertruck. Ooh, let's get these rupees, because you can buy. It looks like we can buy different cars with the rupees. Thank you. Oh, that only gave me 50. The other one gave me 300. Come on, we got this. Yep, we're locked in. Alright, good job. We got that. Watch that boulder. Alright, this is where we made it to last time. We got stuck on the rock. There's like a little bridge over there. Alright, we got this. We up. Alright, gotta be careful on this bridge not to like flip over anything. There's a big hole in the road. Watch out for the pothole. No, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. 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 A little straight away. Oh, I think that's... Don't push me off. Don't push me off. Please, please, please. I'm gonna try to go around. Come on. Let's go. Is this checkpoint? Oh, this is a checkpoint. Let's go. Alright. Do I have enough rupees to get anything else? Oh, there's other free trucks and stuff. I didn't know that. We can get the Golden Voyager. I think it'd probably be best to save up rupees until we can get the buggy. I'm gonna respawn. Okay. Yes, let's go. Get a cargo transport mission. There's missions in this game. It's like the most expensive one. I'll do this one. How'd I die? Oh, someone killed every player. What the heck? Do I keep my quest or do I have to re-get it? Let me see. I think I might have to re-get it. Took this quest. Oh, well, that guy's dumb. Wouldn't let me use my mouse for some reason. Alright, let's restart again, I guess. Oh, hold on, let me get another quest. Because I think they get deleted when you... What's this? Oh, never mind, there's these quests, but those aren't the quests I picked up. Okay, let's use the police truck. I don't like how it does that. That's kind of annoying. This is kind of hard for wide turner. No, please don't. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. We're locked in. And okay, I thought we just fell off. All right, we're doing good. We're making good progress. We're about halfway there. Slow. Okay, just gotta watch my back, make sure I don't fall off. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop for these rupees. Seems a little bit of a waste of time. Alright, gotta watch out this. Gotta watch this guy. Watch this, I'm gonna knock him down. I'm gonna knock this guy down. How do I knock him down without falling myself? I'm gonna be careful, I don't want to die. I think I can knock him off. I get stuck on him. I'm just going very slow. That's too steep. There we go. Another bridge. What does this sign say? You have died? I haven't died. Oh, that's just a death count on how much times somebody's died, I guess. We locked in. Oh, I see the next checkpoint. I see the next checkpoint. Okay, that was close. That was close. No, someone killed every player again. I want to get to checkpoint 2. Come on. Come on. What the heck? There's a leaderboard for this game. What the hell? I'm gonna try to notch that so I don't have to close it. Alright. We got it this time. We got it this time. I don't think I grabbed the quest. Right? That's alright. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this. Oh, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Don't want to go too fast. Don't want to fall off. Alright. This little bend. We gotta go over here. Okay. No. Okay, that was close. I think this is the farthest I've made it. Right? Yeah, because I got killed by somebody before this part. It was right there! It was right there, what the heck? Bro, that's not... That sucks. What's this wheel? Is this like a free wheel spin? Oh, it is a free wheel spin. What can I get? 100 rupees. Alright. Is that enough to buy the buggy? What's the buggy? How much was the buggy? Buggy was 600 rupees? Oh. I guess not. Dude, the buggy's really fast. It might be... Brakes aren't too bad. Okay, I'm not really too worried about an earthquake. I don't think really anything bad will happen to me right now, considering where I'm at. Oh, well. Let's see, what's in the shop? Kill everyone, earthquake, ding dong sound, make foggy. Well, someone just killed me. Starter pack, 100 rupees, motor home, medium pack, sound truck, golden voyage. The golden voyage is free right now, is it not? Thought I said it was free. Yeah, it's limited. 300 rupees. Let's try it out, because it's, I guess, a good car. Yeah? Dad said not today. Editor himself. Cut that past conversation out. And this. Okay, we back on the road, getting... I mean, it's my buggy, what the heck? There we go. I hate how it makes you drive over that, that's annoying. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Too fast. Slow down your wise mind. What the heck? This game's kind of glitchy. Either that or it could just be the buggy. Probably just the buggy, because the police car was fine. Okay. Okay, okay. Checkpoint 2. I don't think I took